Yeah, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Okafumi Cynthia. In this training, I'm going to be showing you how to make use of PancakeSwap on Trust Wallet. So you open your Trust Wallet app, then you click on the apps. You can see this place right here. You click on the apps, then you have to make sure that you have the Binance Smart Chain, because that is what you will use in paying for transaction fees when you are buying or selling on PancakeSwap. Then you must have gotten your BNB Smart Chain, you click on the apps. So this is it right here. When you click on the apps, you come here, come to the search bar, and you type in PancakeSwap. If you scroll down, you see that there is PancakeSwap here, but then I don't want to use that PancakeSwap because I want to actually show you how to get it by yourself. So you type in PancakeSwap, then you mark this icon here. Good. You take this icon on your keyboard, you mark it good so that it will load up. Okay, so it's taking some time to load. Okay, this is it. You click on PancakeSwap.finance. Then when it opens, you click on this Ethereum icon here. You can see the Ethereum icon. You click on it, then you select the network, which is Smart Chain. You select the BNB Smart Chain network. Then after that, you will see an icon here to select the language that you want. So in this case, I want English, so I'll select English. It will automatically load to English, of which I'm already in English version of it. So that is it. Let me disconnect, because normally when you connect it will be disconnected. After you must have connected your Smart Chain logo here, you click on Connect Wallet. Then you choose the wallet you want to connect. In this case, I want to connect my Trust Wallet, so I click on Trust Wallet, and it will automatically connect. So right now I want to buy Maya token. Is actually still loading. It's taking some time to load. I don't know why. Okay, so let me check if the token I want to buy will pop up. Oh, sorry, let me copy the address of the coin I want to buy. So for you to make a purchase from PancakeSwap, you need to have the contract address of the token. Say you want to buy a coin, you need to ask the person that told you about the coin to send you the contract address, or if it's a new token that you just discovered by yourself, to get the contract address, all you just need to do is to head over to your browser, type in CoinMarketCap. I already have the CoinMarketCap open here. Type in CoinMarketCap on your browser, then you search for the coin. So let's say I want to buy this Wakanda Inu token. Let me see. Okay, so this is the Binance Smart Chain contract address for Wakanda Inu token. I will click on it. Normally when you open the coin you want to buy on CoinMarketCap, you will see every information about it. Then here you will see links. Under links you see contract, which is the contract address of the coin. Then you click on this drop down arrow here. You can see it's this drop down arrow here. Then When you click on it, it will show you the Ethereum contract address of the coin and the Binance Smart Chain contract address of the coin, depending on the network it was built on. So you click on copy. Copied. Then you come back to your trust wallet where you are buying the token. Let me see if it's done loading. I'm actually trying to reload it so that my BNB balance will show up. Okay, so this is it. That showed up. My balance is 0.06 BNB. So in this case, I want to buy BNB for Maya token with my BNB. So most times we find it difficult to know the amount of the USDT amount equivalent of BNB of the token we want to buy. So what I use in this figuring out this figure is I click on this place and I type in USDT. Then I put in the figure 0.0. Okay, let's say 0.001 gives me 0.6 USDT. 0.02 gives me 1 point something USDT. So with that, I've already known that this figure I put here is equivalent to 1.2 USDT, and I want to buy Maya token of 1.2 USDT, right? So I just remove this here. I'll just remove this USDT because it's not USDT I want to buy. I want to buy Maya token. I'll remove it. I've already gotten the quantity of BNB I want to buy with. Then I come here, I paste the contract address I've already copied. So this is the contract address for the Wakanda Inu token. Sorry. When you paste it, you allow it to load a little. Then you can see Wakanda Inu token. Always make sure that is the name of the token and the logo of the token you copied that is showing here. Then you click on import. Then they will give you a notification telling you that anybody can create BIP20 token on BSC with any name, including creating fake versions of it, and you are responsible for whatever happens to your account. Then you click on I understand here. Then you click on import, and you are good to go. So it's loading up the amount of Wakanda Inu token. So this is it. I really do not want to buy this token. I just want to show you how to do it. So you click on swap. Then you click on confirm swap. Okay, see, it's moving straight automatically, no hinges, no delays. But there are some cases where you might want to buy a token and they are telling you that your slippage or the network is not stable. They will show you a red notification telling you that your slippage is not properly set up. So what you need to do in that case is to come to this place, this settings bar here. You can see these settings. Oh god, I clicked out. Okay, so let me just go back to my PancakeSwap. So you come to that settings here. You can see the settings icon here. You click on it, then you come down to where there was slippage. you can increase the slippage by yourself by clicking here to put the slippage you want by yourself. You can put 1, you can put 2, you can put 17. There are some tokens that gives you the number of slippage you should use in buying or selling the coin, but most times you can easily use 0.5%, depending. If you are buying a token that has large quantity like trillions and so on and so forth, most times they usually ask you to put it in multiple zeros, right? So meaning that you just have to let me show you a practical example with this Maya token. So for instance, now that you are buying this Maya token right here, what you just need to do is to paste the address. I've already showed you how to import it. This is taking time to load. Let me refresh it. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, so I've actually showed you how you can buy the token. I was just trying to show you how to set up your slippage. But then let's take for instance that you want to buy 1 trillion of this coin right here. Okay, so you can see the figures I have here. Now in most cases, when you want to buy this token, you can see that, okay, let me use what I have here. For example, let me use 0.01. 0.01 BNB gives us 300 and something billion of this token. Yes, 300 and something billion of this token. So in most cases, 395 billion of this token. In most cases, when you put in a figure like this and you click on swap, they bring up for you something that shows you that you can your slippage is low, or okay, this is it. The transaction cannot succeed due to error, cannot estimate gas, transaction may fail, or may require manual gas limit. So you can see, you click on this X icon here to remove it, then you come back here and remove these decimal numbers and replace it with zeros. Remove this 46, replace it with zeros, then click on swap again, see if it will write the same thing for you. You can see it's going through. So most times when you click on swap and it's showing you figures like that, all you just need to do is to remove those decimal numbers in between. Just leave the figure, the main 395, then the remaining figures at the back of it should be zeros, and you are good to go. Or in most cases, you just have to remove this. Okay, let's remove 2 zeros and replace it with 2 and click on swap again to see if it will write the same thing. You can see most times all you just need to do is to remove one of the figures here, remove it and replace it back, and you are good to go. So if you click on it, you click on confirm swap, then you click on approve, and you are done. It's not really hard the way you think it is. So this is it, as simple as it is. You don't need to stress yourself. So let's say you want to sell, all you just need to do is to do it the other way around. You click on this drop down arrow here and you click on swap. I don't have my hair, that is why I can't swap. So let's say you have my hair and you want to sell, you click on the drop down arrow and you click on swap Maya, and you are done. So I hope you learned something. If you did, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye.